The Kingdom of the Sky. Once upon a time, there was a white fairy named Luna who lived in the Kingdom of the Sky. Luna was known for her pure heart and kind spirit. She was loved by all creatures, big and small, and was respected for her wisdom and grace. One day, Luna was called upon by the heavens to embark on a journey to visit the Kingdom of Heaven. She was filled with wonder and excitement as she set off on her journey, soaring through the clouds on her delicate wings. As she flew higher and higher, Luna gazed in awe at the beauty of the sky and the stars. She felt as if she were soaring through a sea of diamonds, each star twinkling like a precious gem. Finally, Luna arrived at the gates of heaven. She was greeted by a chorus of angelic voices, who sang songs of praise and welcome. The gates opened, and Luna stepped inside to find herself in a land of perfect beauty and peace. The sky was a brilliant shade of blue, and the flowers bloomed with the sweet fragrance of heaven. Luna wandered through the kingdom, admiring the splendor that surrounded her. She met many creatures, big and small, and was filled with joy as they welcomed her with open hearts. As the day drew to a close, Luna was summoned to the throne of the Almighty, where she was granted an audience with the Lord. The Lord spoke to Luna, and she was filled with his wisdom and love. She left heaven with a heart overflowing with peace and happiness. Luna returned to the Kingdom of the Sky, filled with a newfound appreciation for life and love. She shared the wisdom she had learned with all creatures, big and small, and was loved and respected even more. And so, Luna lived a life of grace and love, always remembering the lessons she learned on her visit to heaven. For she knew that the Kingdom of Heaven was always with her, in her heart and in her soul, and that she could visit any time she wanted. Luna's journey to heaven became a legend in the Kingdom of the Sky. Many young fairies would ask her to tell the story of her visit, and Luna would share the wonders she had seen and the lessons she had learned. One day, Luna received a message from the heavens that a young fairy was in need of guidance. She was a timid creature, and had lost her way in the world. Luna took it upon herself to visit the young fairy and share the lessons she had learned on her journey to heaven. The young fairy was filled with wonder as Luna told her tale, and the wisdom she had gained on her journey touched her heart. Luna taught the young fairy about the beauty of the world, and how to find happiness and peace even in the darkest of moments. She taught her about the power of love and the importance of always being kind and gentle to those around her. The young fairy was filled with a sense of hope and purpose, and she began to see the world in a new light. She started to spread love and joy wherever she went, and soon she too was loved and respected by all creatures, big and small. Years passed, and the young fairy became known as the kindest and wisest fairy in the Kingdom of the Sky. She often told the story of Luna's journey to heaven, and how it had changed her life. And so, the legend of Luna and her visit to heaven lived on, touching the hearts of generations to come.